Okay guys, a little description of what I've got here. This is a 1978 Manta Mirage. It was a kit car built back in the 70s. This is a project I'm still working on. It's a work in progress. I'll give you a little walk around what she looks like. You'll notice the headlights are out of the car right now. I'm working on modifying them to look more like Can-Am style headlights, recessed with a plexiglass cover over the top. I have to make all that stuff. It is powered by a small block Chevy 358 cubic inch. It has a Porsche 5-speed manual transaxle, coilover shocks all the way around. There's a Mustang II front suspension in it. Removable steering wheel makes it easier to get in and out. I'm a big guy, so that's important. Gotta love those 1974 Chevy van taillights, which is what the kits came with. Got these little half doors, makes it a little easier for it to get in and out. As you can see, the engine's mid-mounted right behind the seat. I'll do another video shortly with it running. You can see the engine. Like I said, the engine's a 350 board 60, so it's a 358 cubic inch. Alright, I'm going to do another video showing the engine running.